Welcome to the short video where I will show you how to set up and verify your domain DNS records in order to send emails using SMTP2GO. For those who don't know what the SMTP2GO is, I'll explain shortly. It is an email service provider that allows you to send emails, for example, from your website or anywhere in your application or other software. And in order to send emails with your domain name, for example, info@company.com, you need to verify your domain so you show that you own it. If you don't have SMTP2GO account, you can go and create one. The link will be in the description. I have mine already created, so I simply click login and I'm in my dashboard. I just set up this account. I've verified my email address, and now what I need to do, I need to verify the sender. So we simply click add verified sender, and here you will see two options. One, which is not recommended, is to verify your single email. So you probably will need that in case if you don't have access to the domain DNS records, and it is recommended to verify your domain with proper DNS records, so you will be able to use as many emails as you want within your domain name. So in this window, simply click add sender domain, and now we need to enter our domain. So I'm using bCloud, where I'm managing my domain name. This is the service that allows you to register domains, host your websites, order servers, and so on. So I'll paste the link in the description to the bCloud. And one more thing, what's important to mention, that they have awesome support that you can reach using chat. I'm logged into my account, so simply click client zone and my domains, and have one domain registered. So I click manage domain. In this screen, I'll copy my domain name and simply paste it here and click continue with this domain. And now you can see that we need to set up CNAME records. So as you can see, it shows that some providers require entering just the first part of this address. So in our case, we'll also do that. When you are in your domain management dashboard, so simply scroll down and you will see manage records button, click on it. I have a bunch of records here already, so what we're going to do, we'll simply click the plus button, and here we need to add those values. So first we need to specify record name, so simply the first part, and as you can see, it already updated it. And we need to change the type to CNAME. And now let's go back and copy the full address from this part and simply paste it here. Click add new record. Okay, my domain should be added. One more thing, I don't know why this is happening here. So it is adding 2 times my domain. So what I'm doing, I'm simply go back again to edit it and simply change the whole address and update record. Okay, and now it's good. So we need to add 2 more records. Again, simply copy this part. And by the way, let's try to add again, type should be CNAME, and now we need to copy this part and place it here, add new record. So again, as you can see, it has added the main part 2 times. So we'll simply go again and simply replace it, update the record. Okay, good. Okay, now let's go and add one more, final one. Copy again only the link in. Let's try this stuff. Name and paste it here, add new record. Yep, one more time. Let's change the CNAME and click update. And we should be good to go. So after you've done that, you need to verify your domain, but it takes some time. Sometimes it can take up to 24 hours to verify your domain. In my case, it happened instantly. So now my domain is verified and I can go and start sending in emails. So click the like button if this was helpful. If you have any questions, please write down below. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.